what's super cool now is all we have to do is worry about HTML and CSS from this point on. Now, this is all you're going to have to do from here on out with all of your code. As soon as you're done making a change, so say for example, we go ahead and add a paragraph. And I save that. Watch what our source control does when I save this. It's going to then realize I made a change, and perhaps we did like a whole week's worth of code or whatever, and I'm ready to turn in my assignment or whatever it might be. Then I go to source control, and I can see that I can put a message in here. This time I added a paragraph to the home page. Something like that. Some meaningful message about what you did there. And then I hit the check box, and that commits it to my local computer. And then I can push that back out again to my remote repository. And when I refresh that, it might take a few minutes again. But when I refresh that, we should then be able to see the remote changes on the internet. And there we go. Refreshed it one more time, gave it a minute, and there's the paragraph showing up. So from now on, you'll just have kind of the steps where you change it, go to source control, put a message in, commit to our local machine, and then push out to our remote repository. And that's all you're going to have to do from this point on. If you get a message like that that said, would you like to periodically have it fetch? We're not really going to fetch, but you can just say yes to that. It went away before I had a chance to look at it. But yeah, so there we go. From now on, you're all set up. Just don't make any changes to any of the settings that we looked at today. Just make new commits and new pushes, and you should be good.